You see, she heard the beep. As soon as it picked up the... There's tennis ball. Oh.
Did I get... I'm gonna steal it from you. She's like, you're making the noise, but this thing is moving.
And... Or the tennis ball? One of the two? There you go. She's really going to town on that thing.
She's like, I hate you so much.
Apparently Mr. Frog there pissed her off pretty good. Wow.
Mr. Frog, you did not make it to tea time. Nope, that's my hand. Yeah, yeah, go. Ready? Go. It's over there. Look, go get the tennis ball. Go get the tennis ball, Kiah. You're so much fun with the tennis ball. Go get the tennis ball.
Tennis ball. Tennis ball. Nope, not my finger. Tennis ball. Tennis ball. Tennis ball. Kiah. Kiah. Hey, look at this. I need to get it. No, nothing. I can almost reach it. That's pretty bad. Aww. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you, little girl.
This is just like 2 minutes of adorableness.
Aww.
And then she goes. Oh, she's getting a boot.
Ha. That's my fingers. Those are my fingers.
Well, oh, she's still going.
Wait, I'll get the ball.
How much did you want to record?
Just enough to send to my mom. Oh, I'm sorry, did I get you in the face?
No.
Scooch for it.
Kiah, get the ball. Get the ball, Kiah. I don't think she understands the concept. Hey, Kiah. Kiah. There. There's some playing. And another
Go for it.
Oh.
You little butt.
She's really hard to pick up on this phone. She's distracted.
Aww.
Well, I think 3 minutes of video is probably enough.
Okay.
Bye. Say bye, Kiah. She's not saying bye.
Bye, Kiah. Kiah.